2.1 Basics of Functions and their Graphs Preparation. Decide whether each ordered pair is a solution of the equation 2x plus 2y equals 12. So wherever we see an x value, we plug in the first value. Wherever we see a y value, we plug in the second one. So we say 2 times 3 plus 3 times 2 equals 12. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 is equal to 12. Check. So that means that this is actually a solution to that equation. Let's try the next one. 2 times negative 2 plus 3 times negative 7 equals 12. That gives me a negative 4. And that gives me a 3 times negative 7 is going to give me a negative 21. So we have a negative 4 minus 21, or a negative 25 is equal to 12. That is incorrect. Therefore, the negative 2, negative 7 is not a solution to this equation. That ordered pair is not a solution. Let's try a couple more. Now, in this case, what if instead of this giving us an ordered pair, they just give us one value? Well, we plug in what we know, and we solve for what we don't. So in this case, it's y is equal to 4 times x, x being 7, plus 5. Therefore, y is equal to 4 times 7, or 28, plus 5. And now we say 28 plus 5 is 33. So now we put the 33 right there. Okay, the next one, they flip it. So now we know that y is equal to negative 3 equals 4 times x. We don't know what x is, so we leave it, plus 5. So now we see minus 5, cancel, cancel. Negative 3 minus 5 is negative 8. 4x, 4 multiplied by x, we undo the multiplication of x by dividing by 4. Whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. Negative 8 divided by positive 4 is a negative 2. That leaves me x is equal to negative 2. Okay, now you do the same thing on all of these. It's just going to take a bit of time, right? So on the first one, you're going to say something like 2 minus 2y is equal to, 8. So we say minus 2, cancel, cancel, negative 2 is equal to 8 minus 2, or 6. We undo the multiplication of y by negative 2 by divided by negative 2. Whatever you do to one side, we'll do the other. Leaving me y is equal to negative 3. I put a negative 3 in there. Do the same thing on the next one. Now we have a 10. 10 minus 2y is equal to 8. Minus 10, cancel, cancel. Negative 2y is equal to negative 2. We undo the multiplication of y by negative 2 by dividing by negative 2. Whatever we do to one side, we do to the other, leaving us y is equal to 1. Put a 1 here. Next, we have 0 for y, so we say x minus 2 times 0 is equal to 8. Well, that whole thing just goes away, so we have x is equal to 8. Next, we plug in a negative 2 for y, so we say x minus negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to 8. Negative 2 times negative 2 is plus 4, equal to 8, minus 4, cancel, cancel. X is equal to positive 4. We put a 4 in over here. Now, these next two are actually much simpler, given that if all the equation is saying is x is equal to some constant, then you don't care what the other one is. You just plug it in. Same thing over here. You have y is equal to negative 3. I don't care what the x value is. I just know y is going to be negative 3 regardless.